Hello, today I'm going to show you how we reuse PEX fitting. Okay, and this is PEX fitting ring remover. First you cut cut your PEX fitting, and then you want to use this ring, put it inside right here, and then just squeeze it. See it? Now you squeeze it on the other side. So you open it up. See it? There you go. See this doesn't fit all the way. So gotta cut it shorter. And then do the same thing. There you go. But as you can see, the fitting, the PEX, once it's clamped on, can't remove it. So that's why I'm going to show you. We use, see where my screwdriver's at. My screwdriver's right here. Alright. What you want to do is I'm going to show you the two fitting. What you want to do is just put that like that. We're not gonna melt anything. Just see, that's fast. And then just push it out. See it? Easy. That's not even hot. See it? That's how. Because we don't want to melt anything. And then this is just a hold it a little. See? So I can even hold my hand. That's it. Hold it and that's it. There you go. You know I have a lot of fitting here, so maybe you can use it. Same. So I can use these fitting again. I'll cut this also, even the angle one. See? Pop it right out. So that's stubborn. Why is this one so stubborn? See, you will have some stubborn one like that also. As you can see, it's not hot. See, we're using the thing is these fittings are not cheap. They cost you around $3 for each fitting. I just bought the T. It's $3.68 per fitting. They're not cheap. So that's why there's nothing wrong with reusing your fitting. Nope. Sometimes if it gets too hot, shouldn't get hot at all, but if it gets hot, just use a plier. Okay? That's it. Ready? That's it. A little brown in that. That's not from that torch. It's a little brown. It's from the water. But nothing's wrong with it. So, but if you like my video, please subscribe. That's how you use your PEX fitting, and that's how you remove the PEX ring. And that's it. How do you use it? If you like my video, please subscribe. I appreciate it. Thank you.